In this tutorial, I'll show you how to forward filtered emails to Telegram using N8N. This automation helps you receive instant Telegram notifications whenever important emails arrive, so you don't have to constantly check your inbox. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add an email trigger node and connect it to your email account. This node monitors your inbox and starts the workflow whenever a new email is received. Next, add an if or filter node. Configure the conditions to forward only the emails you care about. For example, you can filter messages by sender, subject line, keywords, labels, or priority. After filtering, add a Telegram node and connect it to the successful output of the filter. Configure your Telegram bot credentials and select the chat where you want to receive notifications. Now customize the Telegram message. You can include useful details such as the sender's name, email subject, receive date, and a short preview of the message. This gives you enough information without opening your email immediately. Run the workflow to test it. Send yourself a sample email that matches your filter conditions and verify that the notification appears in Telegram with the correct information. If everything works as expected, activate the workflow. N8N will continue monitoring your inbox and automatically forward only the emails that meet your specified conditions. And that's how to forward filtered emails to Telegram using N8N. Monitor your inbox, filter important messages, and receive instant Telegram notifications automatically.